How's it going, guys? I hope you are doing well. I'm going to go ahead and just make this a semi-short video. I think I've figured out how I'm going to record and have a semi-stable Kdenlive experience. Now, I'm going to test this out. If this goes all according, this will be a patron-only video for those who want to watch this weirdness go on. So, first things first, let me show you here. I know this is all screwy. I need to do a reboot because I've messed with a whole bunch of stuff, but it is what it is. Let's cd into .local bin. I want to show you the rec OpenBSD script in here so you can see I've changed up a little bit. We're no longer capturing audio with FFmpeg. We're actually capturing it with AWCAT and doing it into two separate files. That is so any feedback that I get on the audio side, like hissing noise or anything like that, I can edit out with Audacity, not have to worry about it. And I believe I figured out how to get Kdenlive to be stable here on OpenBSD. One of the things I found out, and of course, whenever I close something with my webcam still open and recording, it'll just get rid of the webcam because it still has selection over it for some reason, which is weird. But if I do as Kdenlive and run it as root, this is supposedly much more stable, like much more stable. So we're going to test that out here. We're going to add a clip inside of Zaney's home folder here. Let's see if we go back in. Is one of them grown? No, these are the ones that are older. So these are the ones that we can work with. Yeah, this should be good. Yep, we take these in here, scroll it. Now, mind you, typically this will crash right after I've started doing something here. So. Oh, dude. Okay. I've never been able to apply a fade in and have it work and play it back for me here on OpenBSD. Okay. So as insecure as this might be, running Kdenlive as root, it makes it actually functionable. Like, I can delete these. Let's see. Grab these, bring them over. Yeah. Everything looks good. I can plop this up, take this under here. Let's go to effects. Let's see, can we grab, compositions. Dissolve. Let's see, if we take a dissolve and shrink it down. Yep, that played back fine. We still don't get a crash. That is incredible. All right, now the final test will be editing and rendering out this video. So if you are seeing this on Patreon, then this means, well, Kdenlive is working like a beauty. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you.